At voestalpine Wire Rod Austria, we produce special steel grades for high demanding applications such as mobility, energy or mechanical engineering. In the year 2016, we rolled our first billet in the new rolling mill supplied by Danieli. We produce more than 400 different steel grades in coils with a diameter from 5.0 up to 60 mm. Our wire rod products are finished in the twin model block, where we can achieve a perfect geometry in terms of roundness and ovality with values less than 0.1 mm. In view of the current market dynamic, a perfect balance between productivity, flexibility and production costs are the key to success. Our complete rolling mill is digitalized and controlled by inline sensors, generating 10,000s of variables. Out of our 11 rolling rods, we can choose the appropriate one for the inline thermomechanical heat treatment to achieve a consistency in metallurgical structure, mechanical properties, surface and geometry to guarantee a product one step ahead.